If you ask me, that's $1 million mansion.
Now look at that. That's pretty cool. See that sunflower? That come from the bird feed. I want to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all the cardinals we have. We have a female cardinal. And we have a, look at that, and a male cardinal. And it took us a while to actually get some different birds, you know. These northern mockingbirds, they've been dominating the Bird Buddy house. They've been dominating it, but these this couple, this male and female cardinal, they held the ground together, and they're the new owners of this beautiful estate.